I think it's time to put some work into this bad boy. Oh my goodness, it's hot today, guys. Anyways, welcome back to the vlog, guys. We are kind of a race against time right now. I haven't posted a video last week because I've been working for 13 days straight, and I'm like, this is my last day until like my next day off. I felt really bad that I didn't get to do the video last week, so I'm doing the video today. Today's Sunday, it's 12:30 right now. I have to go to work at 3:30, so we have 3 hours to go get some gas because I don't have gas in the GTR, and then we're gonna go and put on the Widebody. I promise you guys in the last video, if you guys haven't seen the last video, go check it out, link is right up here. I promise you guys that I'm gonna put the Widebody back on the GTR, so that's what we're gonna do today. So let's go get some gas, and if you guys haven't done so, or if this is your guys' first time seeing any of my vlogs, my name's Lance, I'm from Hawaii, and the dream is just to build cool cars and have fun with it. So make sure you guys drop a like for today's video and subscribe. Another thing too, if you guys been wondering why, or if you guys been following along with the vlogs, this is probably like the 3rd or 4th time I'm putting gas in the car. It's because I only put a couple gallons, because one, I don't want to have the car sitting with old gas, and two, I want to keep like the amount of pump fuel I have in the car, because when we do tune the car, we are gonna do pump gas first, and then we're gonna switch over to ethanol. I'm trying to keep the lowest amount of pump gas in the car. In essence, when we mix ethanol and pump gas, we want to have the highest ethanol content. So in order to have the highest ethanol content, we gotta have really low, if not very slim to none, amount of pump gas to mix with the car. I don't know about you guys, but where I live here in Hawaii, gas prices is freaking ridiculous. $4.25 for a 92 octane. If y'all are not from Hawaii, do me a favor in the comments right now, let me know where you guys are from and how much gas is in your guys' area, because I swear in the past 2 months, gas here in Hawaii went up at least 30, maybe even 40 cents. For those of you guys here in Hawaii, you guys know my pain. Well, she's all gassed up now. Let's get this kid back on. Alright, I wanted to take this out for a drive, but after rolling it down my driveway, I don't know if can you guys hear that? I hope you guys can hear that. We got a little bit of a rubbing issue right here on the inside. So I think I'm gonna have to recede about a couple inches back so we can clear that rubbing issue. But, oh, wrong way, oops. Anyways, but look at it, guys. Oh my goodness, we finally got the Widebody on. I wanted to take this out, but unfortunately I can't. But you know what, let's just do one good walk around of the car just so you guys can take a look at it better. Like, honestly guys, look how crazy that is. That's freaking nuts. Look how bad it is in the back. Here, let's just stand back a little bit. Look at, she got some hips to her, guys. Super nuts. That's crazy. That is freaking crazy. One step closer, kind of. Not really, because we're gonna have to do a lot of more cutting now. Super thick. Unbelievable. Well, like I said earlier, it's about 3:30, so I'm gonna have to go and get ready for work. I might just end the video at work, but I hope you guys like how the car looks so far. We finally got the wide body fenders on. I was expecting to have rubbing issues, but actually it's not that bad for what it is. So if you guys haven't done so, do me your boy a favor. Please subscribe to the channel, drop a like for today's video. Also drop a comment down below. Let me know, guys. Let me know what you guys think about the car now with the wide body on. But there's still a lot more work to be done, and it's just all the nitty-gritty stuff before we send it to paint. All right, I guess I'm just gonna end the vlog here. Super tired. Finally I can have a day off from work. What's next for the car? I guess now it's just all of like the nitty-gritty stuff, and I think that's gonna be the most time consuming out of all the stuff that we've done for the car, because it's just gonna be like just taking off stuff, shaving it, putting it back on, because I don't want to like take apart too much. So I'm just slowly gonna try and work on it and reseed whatever I have to. But I mean, like, honestly guys, just having the car with the wide body fenders on and like with the wheels, I think the fitment, shout out to my cousin Richie for doing the fitment or doing the wheel specs on the work wheels, because I think it's gonna look super sick. And the cool thing about the GTR is that, I mean, you can use like aftermarket, you know, camber adjustments, but actually for the GTR, when you air it out, it's just gonna go ahead and tuck in itself. So I mean, I'm not trying to go for super flush fitment because I want to get the car to as low as possible. So guarantee we're gonna be tucking a little bit, but just with the wheels, with like just the way that the meat of the tire is, I think to me it just looks sick. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about the car now. Again, thank you guys so much for watching my vlogs. It really means a lot. But come next month, guys, like May is gonna be like it's go time, honestly. Like, I'm gonna be on vacation for 2 weeks in May, but still yet pretty much everything is gonna be done by the time I go on vacation. And I guess I want to end today's video just by saying, like, for all of you guys that's like working and, you know, have jobs but still have a dream on doing something way bigger than what your job is, like, just keep pushing, guys. Like, I'm personally taking you guys on my journey with this whole YouTube thing. You know, hopefully one day, you know, things will come to fruition to where like I don't have to work and build a car. You know, I just want to just build cars and have fun with them. So maybe one day, hopefully, we can just do this full time and probably make super cool content for you guys to watch. But in the meantime, I still gotta have a job. I'm honestly blessed. You know, I'm very thankful for what I'm being paid for and stuff like that. You know, I'm thankful for how much money I'm making, but still at the end of the day, that's not the dream. I just know that, you know, it's gonna take some time to where like we're gonna make that shift hopefully one day. But you know, hey, you gotta be practical. You gotta have a job, work on your dream. Always keep your eyes on a dream that you have in mind. Never let go of it, no matter how long it's gonna take. But yeah, I'm gonna end the video with that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, if you guys haven't done so, subscribe to the channel, drop a like if you guys can. If you guys want, share this on you guys' social media pages, share the channel. It'll really mean a lot. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Remember, you guys are all called to be great in your own way, and always to remember, challenge your standards.